Yes. Hello. How are we doing today? So I was inspired by the color green today. So let me show you what we got. Some green tacos. Yes. And some crab salad wraps. Good look at that. There we go. And of course, gotta have my dipping sauces. All right. Without further ado, all right. Look at that. Yes. If you take a close look, you can see even the filling is green, full of green stuff. What do I want to dip in first? How about the cheese? No, let's go with this. Let's go with this one. Yeah. There we go. Crunchy avocado Ortega corn shells today. Give it a try. Ooh. I never fail to make a mess. Okay. It's delicious. Somebody get me a bib because I've already stained my shirt. Yeah. Some Dr. Pepper. Okay, now these I'm excited about. Creamy goodness. I just love these. The rice paper. All right. Getting messy up in here. Those are fun to eat. It's gonna be good on the taco. There we go. Get this one dialed up. Look at this one. Yeah. Do a little double sauce. Pour some of that on there. Look at that. Oh, so good. I'm gonna try one of these again. There we go. Some more Dr. Pepper. Okay, so we got one more. One more to go. This is really good. We did it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time. Okay. Bye. It was a good meal. Had a few in there. See you in the next video. Okay. Bye. Now I'm done. Okay. Bye.